Hey guys, what's going on, and welcome back to another tutorial. And today we're going to be looking at how to create a Minecraft server. Now this is one of those big things that you can do with Minecraft, so I'm going to be teaching you. So first you can go ahead and head on to minecraft.net, where you have obviously been gone to if you ever play Minecraft, and that's why you're here. Go ahead and click on download. And then go ahead and find the section where it says multiplayer server, and it should be right there. And then go ahead and get that file. This is for Windows, so yeah, so go ahead and get that file. And yep, so once your file downloads, go ahead and put it in a folder, and once I'm done putting it in a folder, I will be right back. Alright, what's going on, dudes, and welcome back. And now I have created a folder and I have included it in here, except I forgot to paste it. There we go. And yeah, just a matter of fact, as my desktop background is set to this background that I just created yesterday, I don't know, for like 1 hour or 2 hours, maybe 1 hour and 30 minutes, I don't know. Finishing all of this, including the Minecraft text and everything, including the skin pictures. So this is the land generation test and land generation comparison, or showing me the land generation in Minecraft 1.7 beta looking like this, and Minecraft 1.3.1 looking like this. So yeah, you might want to check that out, and I will have an annotation right now. And it might be in the screen, and now it's probably gone, or if it's still there, you can go ahead and click it. But anyways, once you have it set it up, go ahead and run it. Now before I start this, I forgot a main step in the beginning. You need a program called LogMeIn Hamachi. There will be a link in the description to go and download it. Go ahead and download it. And yeah, we can get onto that, but anyways, go ahead and run the Minecraft server, and make sure this is not open, so like make sure to put it in a folder, because this is going to create some other files and you do not want to delete those files. Go ahead and click on run and just wait for this to go, and it'll open up a window called Minecraft server on the top. You'll probably need Java, and once it's done all of this, it's going to say done. And always, once you're closing this, always type in stop every time you close it without cutting it on the top over here. Always type in stop when you want to turn off your server. So I'm going to go ahead and type in stop, and it's going to save the chunks, and then it's going to exit on its own. But I don't know why it isn't exiting right at this point. It should exit pretty much. So I guess we can wait. Okay, there we go. It's saving chunks a little bit. I'm actually doing something else, and so that's why it's taking. So now, once it's actually finished, fully finished, you can go ahead and head on to. You will have all of this stuff, and the first thing you want to deal with is the server.property. So go ahead and right click on it, and actually without right clicking on it, go ahead and go to Notepad, your usual Notepad. You can just type it in, or you can just do this. You can hold down your Windows key and R, and then type in Notepad right there, and I'll open up Notepad again. But I don't need that Notepad because I already got 2 of them. Alright, so once you open up Notepad, oh, sorry guys, that was one of mine. But once you open up Notepad, go ahead and go to File, and Open. And then find the folder where you save your Minecraft stuff to. So mine would be that one. And over here, it will probably not show you the server.property. So click down on that menu and click on all files. Go ahead and click on the server.properties and click on open. And once you do that, you'll get all this stuff that comes in. Now these stuff are pretty self-explanatory, but alright, let's start with the allow nether one. Now this is obviously pretty self-explanatory. It means it'll allow nether in your world, and if you wanna if you don't want nether, you can just go ahead and leave it false, but I would definitely want nether. And now the world name. Now this is the world name. So let's say you get a custom map from the internet. and this is the custom map called Castle something, or Castle, yeah, Castle. And then you want to load that custom map on your server and play with your friends. So you can go ahead and go to level name and enter the exact same thing, but if it is long, I just suggest go ahead and click on it, Control R it. Why didn't that work? But no, accident there. Control. I guess that shortcut isn't working. Go ahead and right click and go to rename, copy the file, and go back to your server.properties and enter the file right there. And then enable query, you don't need to worry about that. Allow flight if you want your users to fly. I would suggest keeping this off if you're hosting a big multiplayer server and people with, you don't even know, like a huge multiplayer server. Because people can grief and they can just fly out everywhere. Server port, leave it the same or your server will not work. Level type defaults, that matters for you. Enable recon, whatever, that it doesn't need to matter. Level seed if you want to input a seed. Server IP, now this is one of the main importance of the thing. So once you know that program I was talking about LogMe and Hamachi, go ahead and launch it. Once it's launched, you probably won't see all these networks, although you are going to have to create one of these. Go ahead and go to network, create a new network, and then enter the network ID as something appropriate because you're going to have to share this with all the users. Now all the users that are going to join your server without port forwarding are going to need this program to join. It's not much of a big program, it just takes around like 50 gigs or 50 megabytes, I'm sorry, not gigs, but it's really small program and it does really great. So network ID, go ahead and set this anything, but most of the IDs are taken, so you can set it as anything. Minecraft server friends or something, I don't know. Minecraft server Minecraft. I don't know if that ID is taken, but anyways, you have to put in a password and you have to give your password to the users that are joining your server. So put a password like Minecraft or whatever you prefer, I don't know. Go ahead and create, and as you can see, it is actually being taken. So 1 2 3 1 2 3. There we go. I guess that will work. So now something like this will pop up and it'll say 1 out of 5, but it won't have any people. So now the people that are going to join your server have to do this. They have to go to network, join an existing network, and they have to enter in this. So Minecraft server Minecraft 1 2 3 1 2 3, and they have to enter the password, which is Minecraft. Join, and it will because I am already joined, because I am the one who's hosting the network, it won't join me in, but they have to do that. So once you're done that and you have all your people in these, you can go ahead and right click on the top over here and go ahead and call copy IP port. Now then go back to your server.properties, and in server IP go ahead and paste there. Then the max build height, I'll just set this to 300 or 500 because we used to build tall structures in our server. Spawn NCPs, that's up to you. Whitelist, I would like a whitelist. Now if you don't know whitelist at all, whitelist is when you have like a block to the people that join. So if you have some random person join into your Hamachi, you have no idea how they figured out your password, then you don't want them to exactly join your server. So I would suggest keeping whitelist on, and what whitelist does is it prevents the people that are not whitelisted to not join. So you can actually add people to the whitelist. So I suggest keeping it true. Spawn animals is pretty self-explanatory. It spawns animals like pigs, cows. Snooper enabled, that's a new option. You can keep that. Hardcore if you want hardcore mode. I don't really want that. Texture pack that you're gonna use. So yeah. Online mode. Okay, this is one of the options where it gets that. So online mode true means that premium users are the only users that can join. online mode false means that cracked users and premium users can join. So I'm just gonna leave it false, because if somebody has a crack, they can also join into the server. PvP, I'll keep it true. Difficulty 1. If you want to set it more, you can go ahead. Game mode 0, that's survival. 1's creative, and 2's adventure mode. Max players, I suggest. You know what this is. I'm keeping it at 10 because I have around. Actually, no, I have around 20 people. But this is just a test server, so I'm just gonna keep it at 10. Spawn monsters, yeah, whatever, if you want it. And generate structures, yeah, whatever, if you want it. So, view distance, you have to keep that. You can keep this at 10 or even more, but I would suggest 5 because that will make it a little less laggy if you have a slow connection. And mods, you can go ahead and put anything here, but this will be the small little description box under your server name, so you can just put in newly created. Actually, I'm just gonna type in this Minecraft 1.3.1 supported, and yeah. So go ahead and save this. Obviously, this is a save, and then go ahead and close it. And then you have to enter in the stuff. So for whitelist, you have to whitelist all the players in your server, including yourself. Now this is a text file, so you can just go ahead and click on open, and then we'll open in Notepad if you don't have any other program that opened mine in. But whitelist, you can just go ahead and enter in anybody's username that's going to join. I'm going to enter in mine. I'm going to enter in some of my friends. And yeah, so that's what you do. And go ahead and go to file and then save all your users, then go ahead and close it. Ban IPs is the IP of the player. Ban players is the name of the player. Ops, I'm going to go ahead and turn myself to op. Because I have to be off because I am actually doing the server. Now if you don't even know what op is, really, op is basically you have more commands like switching people into creative mode, teleporting people, giving them hunger, or all of that. And then server you don't have to worry about, and that's it. So now you can go ahead and you're all set to run your Minecraft server. Just double click it, click on run, and wait a second. So until it starts up. And once it starts up, it's gonna say all of this, your IP over on the top. And yeah, it's gonna say done, and yeah, you can go ahead and launch up Minecraft and use your server. Now, maybe I should go into Minecraft and just prove that the actual server works, because if you're totally new to Minecraft, you can go ahead and look at this. So go ahead and go to logme how much. You're gonna need that one more time. Go ahead and go to your address, copy IP for address, and you also have to give your friends all that address, because they're going to join in your server, and they need that IP is what they're going to use to join in. So, I'm going to be in Minecraft Alright, hello dudes, and welcome back on Minecraft. And now you can just enter in your name for the server name. This really does not matter, so I'm just gonna type in my server. And then for server address, like I said, your friends and you both have to copy your IP address there, and then go ahead and enter in here. So, I'm just gonna enter in my server, and here I am. I'm in Minecraft in my server, and technically I spawned in an island. Yeah, I have no idea why I spawned in an island. I guess that's a randomly generated world. So actually toggle large map should be B, and okay. So it looks like we are deserted on an island, and I'm just gonna set my game mode to 1. And I'm just gonna fly around. Why can't I fly? What the hell? I can't fly. Well, technically I have no idea what's going on with my Minecraft jar. It might have been something I installed. But this is a pretty cool seed. Look at this. There's a ravine, and I spawned right here. So this is pretty cool. And yeah, I know it's really laggy. I just wanted to show you inside Minecraft. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope you have enjoyed this tutorial, and goodbye, I guess. Also, be sure to check out this video, which I just left an annotation back there somewhere, I don't know. So guys, thanks for watching. I hope you have enjoyed, and goodbye.